Before I show you my most renowned prizes, do tell me, are you pleased with your excursion so far? I mean, you're not afraid, are you? Well, why? Why? There's been nothing frightening yet. It's all been so tame so far.
Here we are in day 3. 11.97 volts. Things, it's starting to change more rapidly now. But I was hoping this thing might come in at 43 to 45 amp hours. Oh, it's done way better than that. We're at 58.5 amp hours, 11.97 volts. I've set the gizmo to terminate at 10.5 volts, okay? So, come back when this thing is done. Bye now. Hey guys, the results are in. Finally. It took 4 days. 3.5 days. I'll record the rest of this a little later this evening after Kyle's done doing laundry. The laundry room is my ham shack. And oddly, I screw around like this in the ham shack, not my electronics bench. I'll be back. 91.51 amp hours. I think we have a winner.